Hey guys, good afternoon. So my dad this morning did a second coat on the firewall here just to add a little bit more texture because you got to do 2 coats so you guys can see that texture there. It came out really fantastic. Very happy with it. But now it's just like a little detail work. Like we have to take, you know, this holder off here. We're gonna wire brush it, get all the black paint off, things like that. My dad already did the one for right here for this wire loom. I'll show you guys here in just 1 second, but couldn't be happier with the way it came out. And this is our first step in making the car black. So here's the little holder for the wire loom on this side for all of your headlights and things like that. Looks almost brand new again. He cleaned it all up and then clear coated it so there won't be any more surface rust on it. So just little nitpicky details now. Gonna start cleaning the undercarriage of the car and getting that all cleaned up so that it's ready for the brake guy to come next weekend. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a blessed afternoon.